All right, good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Yo, guys, you know what? Today, I'm going to have a wonderful evening. Today, I'm going to have a wonderful evening, guys. I'm going to have a wonderful evening. I want today, evening a nice, a wonderful evening. Let me just close the door. Hey, Mamelodi Sundowns. My daughter, I'm on the desert, man. The desert. Let me tell you something, Mamelodi Sundowns. Let me tell you something. In order for Sundowns to start having a very good run, CAF Champions League, this is what you must do. Mamelodi Sundowns cannot continue their recruitment players strategy. Let me tell you something. Number one, in order for Sundowns to start winning, to have a chance to win CAF Champions League, change some things. Number one, stop killing competition in South Africa. Stop killing competition in South Africa. Let me tell you this. Stop killing competition in South Africa. Why think it happened today? You cannot be taking all the players for PSL, Laribia. Only three things that need to be done. Actually, four things that need to be done. Four things that need to be done. Number one, Sundowns, stop buying players. Stop being greedy by buying players in South Africa. Taking all quality players by yourselves. Number two, when you kill competition in PSL, you are initially killing a competition for yourself. You are actually depriving yourselves of having competition in order for you to be challenged, to face challenges, in order for you to be able to take the good. You are denying yourself an opportunity to gain experience in order for you to be able to actually go out. In order for you to be able to go out and play with the best teams out there. You need competition in order for you to have to face the competition that you are facing in Africa. That's number two. Number three, when Khoza Chiefs and Orlando Pirates wants to buy players, stop chasing their targets. Stop the thing of you guys always going out to the target is Khoza Chiefs the Pirate. You're never gonna win CAF Champions League because of those players, those targets that you are taking from Khoza Chiefs and Pirates are the players that are supposed to be helping you in order for you to be able to get competition in South Africa, in order for you to go out in Africa to play CAF Champions League. Ka experience ya lona eli gaining ko PSL. Right now, Mamelodi Sundowns, you are actually competing against yourselves. I'm taking a video. Why is it I'm taking a video carrying your say happy now. Yeah, you're going to say happy now. Yeah. Oh boy. Now I pray each and every day. Oh what more? Give it a prayer room. Boy, keep prayer room. Oh what keep my prayer room yaka. Yeah what? Jesus is the Lord. Eh? It's our prayer room, and that is my young daughter's room, and that is actually my elder daughter's room. That one there. This is my second daughter's room, the 14-year-old room. Eki bathroom, eki stairs going down, eki my other room for my son. Kamuki office ya, kamuki talibula next time. Come on, Rumi, next time. So, Mamelodi Sundowns. Now, that's one thing that I can tell you. You killing competition in PSL, you have yourself to blame. How can Pyramids, a club that has been formed 16 years ago, 2008, it win a CAF Champions League against Luna, literally 59, 55 years existence. You think by taking all the players for PSL, you are actually dominant. No, you are not dominant, actually. You are actually killing yourself. You are killing competition. Mamelodi Sundowns, in order for you to win CAF Champions League, stop buying all quality players in South Africa and benching them. Why this Kadoso Nabi must go. Nabi must go. It's your turn now to sing the same song. Cardoso must go. Opeland Cardoso must go. Cardoso must go. Cardoso must go. Cardoso must go. Let me help you. Mamelodi Sundowns, one. Pyramids, mayele. Tua, hematota. Satiri, kilega kena kare. Sati parasho. Let's go number one. Kare mayele. Hematota. Mayele. Yele. Limita manyala again. Lirigi manyala. Hematota. Mayele. Such a Mamelodi Sundowns, Nere, Pyramids FCA, Wari. I'm a tot, Awuwa. Barikimam Tako Ori. Barikimam Tako Ola Ori, Kima Ori. I can Mizur Kima, Kamotari, hey Matota, Sari Parasho. Let's go about Tua, hey Mayele, hey Matota, Pyramids FCA, Tua, Mamelodi Sundowns. What's it? Kauta Botogo. O Kauta Botogo. Hagefeta. Kase Hagari. Over today. Today give me ball. Rebone ball. Rebone ball. Rebone ball. Maton. Once again, how can you lose to a team that is just 16 years? Mamelodi Sundowns won one trophy. Orlando Pirates won one trophy. Kaizer Chiefs only won one trophy. Ratswana, our team is best more. Sundowns is negotiated for nothing. How can you spend 350 million for nothing? To lose CAF Champions League. The weak land, man. Yes, sir. The weak man. Matota. Kitabuka kiri hapa Kiabua next season. Kitaba kiri hapa kiri. Hey, Chiefs, it's a good thing. It is papa. Hey, Chiefs, it is papa. It is Kitaba kiri. Matota. Kaizer Chiefs. Warrior. Mamelodi Sundowns. Nere. Kabua hapa kiri. Ay matota. Hey, guys. Anyway, ertabulela hapa. Ertabua hapa. Mayele. Hematota. Sedi parasho.